There are power outages in these areas.
A solar inverter or PV inverter is a type of electrical converter which converts the variable direct current output of a photovoltaic solar panel into a utility frequency alternating current that can be fed into a commercial electrical grid or used by a local, off-grid electrical network. It is a critical balance of system component in a photovoltaic system, allowing the use of ordinary AC-powered equipment. Solar power inverters have special functions adapted for use with photovoltaic arrays, including maximum power point tracking and anti-landing protection. Get infotained on mech explanations with your valuable subscribing.